Imagine getting access to Elon Musk's Grok AI without paying any monthly fees. Let's test it. Because this tool claims to give you access to all Grok models inside one single dashboard. In this video, I'll show you GroxLab AI, how it works, a full demo, what you actually get, and whether it's really worth it or just hype.
And yes, if you grab it through my link, you'll also get my exclusive bonuses to help you get results faster. Problem. Now, let's be real. If you try to use advanced AI tools, you end up paying monthly fees, $20, $30, even $200 plus every month. And still, you get limits. Solution. But what if you could access all AI models without subscriptions, without limits, from one dashboard? What is GroxLab AI? GroxLab AI is an all-in-one platform that gives you access to multiple Grok AI models, including current and upcoming versions, all inside one simple dashboard. How it works. Simple steps. Here's how it works. Step 1. Log into dashboard. Step 2. Choose any Grok model. Step 3. Type your request and AI does everything for you. That's it. Key features. Access to multiple Grok AI models. AI content creation, scripts, ads, emails, AI image generation, real-time insights and analysis, all in one dashboard. No monthly fees, commercial license included. Money angle. You can actually use this tool to make money, like selling content services, running an AI agency, creating YouTube scripts, building digital products, basically turning AI into income. Pricing and funnel. Right now, GroxLab AI is available for a one-time price of around $14.95, which replaces tools that normally cost hundreds per month, so it's definitely a low-risk entry point.
Basically, in this video, we're going to go through a full demo together in just a few minutes. But before we do that, I want to quickly let you know that you'll find the link to GroxLab AI down in the description below, along with my exclusive bonus page. You can see my bonus page on screen. Now, these bonuses are not something you'll find anywhere else. I've personally created them to help you get the absolute best results with GroxLab AI. So let me show you what you're getting. The first bonus is How to Sell Digital Products video course. This course will show you how to successfully sell digital products online, from marketing strategies to platform tips. It's designed to help you boost sales and scale your digital business. Claim your free bonus. If you purchase through my link, you'll get this course absolutely free. Don't miss out. Grab it now. Bonus number 2, free Canva templates. Get access to professionally designed Canva templates that you can easily customize for your own digital products. These templates will save you time and help you create stunning visuals quickly. Claim your free bonus. If you purchase through my link, these free Canva templates are yours to use right away. Bonus number 3, Amazon KDP full video course. Learn how to create, publish, and sell your own books on Amazon with this step-by-step video course. This course covers everything from setting up your KDP account to marketing your books for maximum sales. Claim your free bonus. If you purchase through my link, you'll get access to this full video course for free. Bonus number 4, Digital Marketing Ultimate Guide. Unlock the secrets to successful digital marketing with this ultimate guide. From SEO to social media strategies, this guide will teach you how to drive traffic and grow your online presence effectively. Claim your free bonus. Purchase through my link and get this ultimate guide for free. Bonus number 5, all vendor bonuses. These are the exclusive bonuses provided by the vendor, offering extra value to enhance your experience with the product. You'll get access to all the additional resources the vendor is offering to maximize your success. Claim your free bonus. Purchase through my link and get all the vendor bonuses included. Now let's see the demo video.
What happens when the richest man on earth builds something no one can even imagine? The answer is something the AI world wasn't ready for. Hey, stop! Before you scroll, give me 2 minutes, because what I'm about to show you is not just another AI tool. It's a complete shift in how AI works. And right now, it's being called one of the most powerful and unfiltered AI systems on Earth. I'm talking about an AI built by Elon Musk, and it's called Grok. Over the past year, something unexpected happened. A new AI didn't just compete, it started outperforming everything else. Not just in speed, not just in features, but in raw intelligence. So what makes Grok so powerful? Grok isn't just another chatbot, it thinks deeper, it responds more directly, it's far less filtered than anything you've used before. And that's exactly why marketers are switching, creators are switching, businesses are switching. Everyone is starting to move toward Grok. Because when you compare the results, the difference is obvious. Grok gives you faster responses, deeper reasoning, more accurate outputs, flexible answers, which means better results for you. But here's the problem. To access this level of AI power, you usually have to pay monthly. $20 to $25 monthly for basic access, $30 monthly for business level access, $200 to $300 plus monthly for enterprise level power. And it never stops. Every upgrade, every new version, more money. So even though Grok is powerful, accessing it fully becomes expensive. That's why we built something different, something smarter, something simpler, something more powerful. Introducing GroxLab AI, a centralized AI platform powered by Grok AI that gives you access to all Grok models, current plus upcoming versions, Super Grok, business and enterprise level power, all from one simple dashboard. This isn't just another AI tool, this is your complete Grok AI command center. Here's what happens after you activate GroxLab AI. You log in, you choose any Grok model, Grok 4.2, 4.1, 4, 3, 2. You type what you want and instantly Grok generates powerful high-quality results. Sales copy, emails, scripts, ideas, content, in seconds. Which means no switching between tools, no paying for multiple subscriptions, no limitations, just results. And here's where it gets even better. Grok isn't just fast, it's smart. Built for deep reasoning, real-time thinking, and human-like responses. So your outputs don't just come faster, they come out better. Better content, better clarity, better conversions. And yes, it's beginner-friendly. No tech skills needed, no complicated prompts. If you can type, you can use GroxLab AI. Now let's talk about the price. Normally, to access this level of Grok power, you'd be paying every single month. But today, you don't have to. With GroxLab AI, you get everything with a simple one-time payment. No subscriptions, no recurring fees. Just activate it once and it's yours. And yes, you're fully protected with our 30-day money-back guarantee. Try it, test it. If you don't love it, we'll refund every penny. No questions asked. So now the decision is yours. Do you keep paying monthly for limited AI tools? Or do you unlock the full power of Grok in one place? If you're ready to create high-quality content instantly, replace multiple AI tools, save hundreds every month, scale your productivity, and finally use AI at its full potential, then click the button below. Activate GroxLab AI and unlock one of the most powerful AI systems available today. No limits, no subscriptions, no stress. Just powerful AI working for you. Your move starts now.
Thank you so much for watching and staying with me till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell notification so you don't miss any future reviews. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.